Hello everyone. Kind of need to have you go behind the scenes with me today because I'm kind of in a rush. It's only 9 a.m., 9:30. I have laundry that I'm gonna get started here in just a second. Got dishes started. I have a very quick and easy breakfast because I need to get going with our day. It's the day before travel. I just need to like kind of calm down. I'm gonna get like anxious. But I took time this morning to do my hair and do my makeup and get ready for the day because I'm not going anywhere. But I want my hair done for tomorrow. I'm not gonna have it down because you can tell already I want to pull it back up because like I get hot when I travel, but I want it straight. So I'll probably put it in a ponytail tomorrow. But I got up and I got ready and I'm ready to do some computer work this morning until I have laundry to fold and put away and all that kind of stuff. But because I need to do so much computer work today, I get a little bit anxious about the other chores not being done. So I always like purposely like make sure that they're doing their job, like the dishes are being washed and the laundry is being washed so that I can do something else, and then I can take a break from this and go fold laundry and come back to this. But my list, let me show you my list. All right, so let me just give you a look into my lists. This is the one for my packing list. This is mainly my stuff. Then this is the packing list for electronics and miscellaneous and all the kids packing stuff. I'm pretty like list oriented. This is our Costco run. And then this is my list that I'm going off of mainly today. And so I'm kind of getting a little bit stressed because the list kept getting longer down here. And I know that everything will get done today, but the first thing that I need to do today is get our health questionnaires filled out for Hawaii travel. In case you're new, we're going to Hawaii tomorrow. I checked into our flights a couple hours ago when I was laying in bed because I could. It was 24 hours before our flight. But I need to do these health questionnaires and I have 5 of them to do. Jason just has 1 because he only attached himself to his name, but I have all the kids on my name. And so I wanted to get all the other chores done that I could so that I can take time to sit down and do these health questionnaires. And then I need to do some editing on 2 different videos, including this video today. So I'm gonna have to like batch edit throughout the day because I need it to upload before we go to Hawaii. So I'm kind of stressed. So I kind of need you guys to be behind the scenes. It'll be more montage, come along with me. I'll chat with you when I can, but I want to bring you in the day because it's important to see the reality of trying to get ready to go. I just wanted to be real with you, and it's not, the behind the scenes is kind of stressful. We are getting things all organized and all ready to go, and you know, our negative COVID tests are uploaded to the Hawaii travel website, and that's all good to go. If you are coming because you want to see that process, I'll show you the screen for the health questionnaire today. And we've shown 2 different COVID test processes in other 2 videos, and it'll all be linked in a Maui playlist that I'll link up here in an iCard, probably right here, because that's what I do when I edit, when I point. And then I'll leave the Maui vlog list down below as well, because that process to get to Hawaii is important right now because there is a lot of steps in order to go. So if you're new and you're coming for that, just stick around because I will kind of include you in some of that process as well. But the health questionnaires are my #1 priority right now. Okay, Ashley, tell everyone what you got the other day.
An iPad.
It's not yours though, right?
Yeah, it's yours.
It's mine.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't let you purchase it with your money.
Yes.
Like you wanted to do. Because mommy needs to have control over it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but something came in the mail today. Kaylee's opening it, a case for it, because you're kind of a...
Oh, why'd you let her buy this?
She didn't pick it out, I did.
Yeah.
But it's pretty appropriate, right?
Let me get it open.
I know you're right there, Chelsea. I heard you coming down the stairs. What do you think? Does that kind of scream, Ashley? I think it's great. Yep, that's what it's for.
I thought there would
And
be
do that
a
little
unicorn on it.
Oh, Came just in the nick of time.
And then you go
And then,
like
well,
that.
then it's at your hand level.
And then you go
And then you can hold it.
Hey, just so you don't drop it.
Yeah, let's put it in. All right, it took way too many people to figure out how to get this iPad cover on, but it's probably the best iPad cover I've ever gotten for my kids. Super durable, it's not gonna break. There's a little cover for the camera here. Then this little strap right here is perfect for her little hand. They already ran out to play outside. It's perfect for her to hold it for like playing games. And then underneath the strap, there's a little stand that will pop out and click, so she can set it up to play that way. And there is a strap that she can wrap it around her head or shoulder and carry it. So it's perfect for travel on the airplane. She can strap it around her neck, that way it doesn't fall down on the floor, especially when you have like your tray out and your snacks and all that kind of stuff. You don't want the iPad to fall. I don't buy my kids laptops or iPads to keep for themselves. In fact, Ashley wanted to buy this herself, like you heard me mention. She asked if she could just take her Hawaii money and buy a new iPad because she really, really wanted one, and she kind of gets the dud iPads. I can't get the stupid stand to go down one-handed. I buy them so that I have control as a parent. Then I can set up the family sharing, and I can set up time limits, and I can deactivate it when I'm on my phone laying in my bed and I realize that she's on the device at 11 o'clock at night. So I gain control over devices by buying them ourselves. So that's one other thing done. I am going to finish doing laundry. It just doesn't stop. So I'm editing and uploading a video right now, which means I'll be able to start on this one, this current day. Here, let me turn off that. It's better like laundry. We're on our final loads. Abby and Kaylee, can I get towels, please? It's my final load, is towels. Everything everyone is wearing today is the last things that need to get washed, and they'll get washed when we get home because I'm not doing any more laundry. I'm gonna pull laundry out. So we're doing pretty good here. Got laundry on pause to dry the towels. 100% of the laundry done. Abby has to shower, and then all the rest of us, I think I might have Ashley shower, but beside the clothes on our back, everything has been done. All the towels are done, clothing is done, everything is done. So I'm very happy about that, getting the laundry done. But let me show you my travel bag myself. All right, so let me just show you what we got going on in my bag. All right, so I got this bag, and now I don't even remember. I think I got it for our initial trip last year, but I've only been able to use it once going to California this summer, and then I used it another time for my friend's baby shower when I went down to Utah. So I think I've shown the bag before, but this pocket right here is for my cell phone. Let me show you. It has like a magnet close, so it like is super easy to like get your phone in and out, which I absolutely love. And then these pockets I'm gonna keep open because I have my beloved chapsticks. I'm gonna take 2 of them. One to stay in my bag and one for my bedside because I am a chapstick person, aren't I? Yes. And then this pocket here has some Tic Tacs and sanitizer. Look at the scent. Can you read it? Oh, focus. Waikiki Beach Coconut. That smells so good. And then I have one little extra packet of disinfectant wipes that I got from my last flight. And then I have more Clorox wipes. And in this pocket down here, I have snacks. I have some M&Ms. So I got these at Costco a little while ago, and that's it. There's just fruit in it. They literally said there's 2 ingredients, so it's probably just apples and blueberries. So I have a couple of those, as well as these fig bars. We love these fig bars. And then I also have my little coin bag. This is what I usually keep in my car, in my door, because I don't like to have to fiddle with coins in my wallet. So I'm gonna take this and put it in my beach bag with maybe a couple bills if I don't want to take my wallet, because when I'm doing cash, you always get change and I can't stand to like have it in my pockets and stuff. Then I'll have my water bottle. This is all cleaned out and shut tight for me to add water at the airport. Oh, I have my keys on this side, but our ride to the airport, Grandpa will get the keys. We'll talk about the car too situation in just a minute. And then inside I have Pringles and my wallet. And then this is like my, you know, my little purse ditty bag. It's a little fuller than normal. So in here I have more sanitizer, my battery charger for my camera, and then I have motion sickness pills. And then this little fan here isn't fitting quite well, so it sticks out the edge. And then I have a little comb. I just have a few little things in here, you know, just extra Tylenol. It's just like my purse, you know, ditty bag, like I said. Then clear down here, I'm gonna keep it at the bottom because it's kind of heavy. This is an actual power pack. You can turn it on and I can show you how much battery is left on it. Right now it's full. You see it's got the full battery charge on it. So you can just plug in your USBs into that and it totally charges up. And then deep in the abyss down here, I have some more snacks. I have some dried pineapple. Everyone got some of these. And then this pocket here, I leave completely open because my camera slides right down in there. It will go in there, and if I don't put anything in here, then I don't risk scratching the lens. Then in the back pocket, I have 1 extra mask per person, just as an extra in case someone spills on their mask, or, you know, you never know what's gonna happen. And I need to go and disinfect the car. I'm not gonna plan on driving anymore today. I'm not going anywhere. Can't. We're technically still in quarantine because we're trying to be safe. Oh, I need to turn the dryer back on. See, we're back full circle. Let's turn that back on because I'm not gonna go driving anymore today. I'm gonna disinfect the car for Grandpa to be able to drive us to the airport. He has already had both of his vaccines. He is gonna wear a mask. We are gonna wear our masks. We have not gone anywhere since getting our 2 negative COVID tests. So he feels very comfortable being in the car with us for the half hour it takes us to get to the airport. I might either leave you with this little ending here because it's quite long, or I might have Jason get on and say goodnight to you and anything else that we might do in montage style, but I've still got so much more to do. And I've got to edit this video. I'm halfway done editing it, what I've got so far, but I still have life and kids to take care of and it's not even dinner time. So we'll see. If not, aloha, we're going to Maui. So we'll see. So I've been doing my nails, wrong hand. I'm doing my nails, but I gotta edit this video. Sorry, this is your only cameo of the night. You ready to go to Hawaii?
I'm really stoked. I'm excited, man. I just want to chill.
Yes, I know, but tonight we can't chill. He's like, oh, I'm gonna come home, we're gonna relax. And I'm like, you're not gonna relax tonight.
You can go back to your computer. I'll put things
I'm doing my nails, dude. I've done so much today.
That's not stressful.
No, the nails aren't. That was my de-stress of the night. Say goodnight. Come here, say goodnight. I'm ending it. So
okay, what are we, next time we see him, we'll be live or something, or what?
No, we'll be in Hawaii.
Oh, all right, I can live with that.
Okay, good night, guys. See you in Hawaii.